Hi guys, my name is Narayan and I welcome once again all of you in this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the additional types of ACLs we have in CCNA. So in my previous video, I have discussed about the dynamic ACLs. What are the, what is dynamic ACL and what are the benefits of dynamic ACL and which situation we should configure this. And I have explained one example also. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the uh, second type of additional uh, access list, access control list, this one, which is flexible. And after that, in my next video, I will be talking about time-based ACL. So before going further, I would like to introduce you about my YouTube channel. So I have a YouTube channel which is basically based on CCN and MCITP. If my videos are helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. For that, you just need to go to youtube.com and type my name Narayan Baghel. So you will get my channel on the top if you hit enter. So this is my channel. As of now, I have uploaded 262 video, and I will keep posting videos. Now I will talk about I will start talking about flexible ACL. So why we can use it and what are the benefits of this ACL. So let me begin this. Here it's a very small what I can say setup I have tried to bring here to explain or give the basic concept of it. So the thing is here flexible ACL. So one side one user is sitting and here also, and we have one server which is on cloud and one router and one more server this side. So what happens here? Inbound traffic initiated outside. So this traffic is going for this side. This is my inside. I and this is and this is my out. Okay, now inbound traffic initiated inside. This traffic is coming from this way to this way like this. What will happen here? Flexible ACL used to allow outbound traffic and limit inbound traffic in response to session that originate inside the router. So this is the main function of flexible ACL. We will discuss in more detail. The thing is what is happening here? It is used to allow outbound traffic, this traffic, and limit inbound traffic, this inbound traffic, in response to session that originate inside the router. So the session which is originating inside the router in response of that traffic. Now we will discuss in detail. So flexible ACLs allow IP packet to be filtered based on upper layer information upper layer session information. So it is like from application. If we talk about presentation, so it will uh, filter on this basis. They are generally used to allow outbound traffic and limit inbound traffic in response to session that originate from a network inside the router. If we have any network inside this router and it is originating from this side, so it will limit that inbound traffic and allow outbound traffic. Next thing, flexible ACL contain only temporary entries. So it will contain temporary only. These entries are automatically created when a new IP session begins. For example, with an outbound packet, and the entries are automatically removed when the session ends. So it will for this session creating or for this communication, they will create one temporary entries, and these entries will be created automatically when new IP session begins. Any session is initiated that time this new temporary entries will be created, and once that session is end, that entry will be removed automatically. Now the fourth thing about ACL is, reflexive. Reflexive ACLs are not applied directly to an interface but are nested within the extended named IP ACL that is applied to the interface. How it works or how we can configure, I will tell you in next slide in the same video. If we talk a little bit more about this flexible ACLs, so the thing is like flexible ACL provide a treasure or accurate or exact form of session filtering than An extended ACL that uses the established parameter. So it will create accurate, or you can say the exact session. Now the next thing, flexible ACL are much harder to snoof because more filter criteria. So you can say this is a security concern and we have benefit. We can say more useful because it is quite harder to break the firewalls and all, or routers, because more filter criteria must match before a packet is permitted through. So we have, if that packet wants to go out or get in, so it has to cross multiple criteria, so it is a harder to snoof. For example, source and destination address and port numbers. What are the things I mean that packet needs need to uh, check? So it could be a source, destination address, and port number, not just acknowledgement and reset RST bits are checked. So all these things will be checked before that session to be initiated. Now we will see the benefit of reflexive ACLs. So reflexive ACLs are an important part of securing your network against network hackers and can be included in a firewall defense. So it is very helpful because we can apply multiple securities. Flexible ACLs provide a level of security against snooping and certain denial of services attack. Flexible ACLs are simple to use and compared to basis ACL provide greater control over which packet enter your network. So basically it provides strong security over the network. Now we will see example of flexible ACL, how we can apply it or how we can configure. So the following example shows how we can and what are the steps to configure. Now we will see what will happen here. The example is of flexible ACL that permit internet ICMP outbound and inbound traffic, while it permit only TCP traffic that has initiated from inside. All other traffic is denied. So this is what going to happen after we run this command on router. The following configuration causes the router to keep track of traffic that was initiated from inside. So it will help that router, or make that router compels to track the traffic also. So what is going to happen here? We need to go to configuration mode, IP access list extended. So this is one part. And what we need to write here, outbound filters permit ICMP. As I told you, we are permitting ICMP here. For this 10.1.1.0 and subnet max 0.0.0.255. This is one part. Okay, now here one more network 172.1 I mean 172.16.1.0, and again this is wildcard marks 0.0.0.255. So permitting TCP for this and this. Now what is happening here? 10.1.1.0 and this is subnet max, and other side again reflect TCP traffic. So it will, this command will from here to here will help us to track the traffic. Okay, because it is initiating from inside. If we go to here, this traffic is initiating from this side. For example, we can consider this is my 10 dot network and this is 172 dot 72 dot network. Okay, so this is the command we need to take care at the time of configuration. Now we have some more commands we need to follow to complete this configuration. Now what will happen? The following configuration creates an inbound policy that requires the router to check incoming traffic to see if it was initiated from inside, and ties the reflexive ACL part of outbound filter ACL called TCP traffic to the inbound filter ACL. So what is the command here now? IP access list extended inbound. We will have to create inbound here also. Here we had created outbound. Okay, now we are going to create inbound. For inbound, permit ICMP. We are permitting ICMP. Here we had permitted ICMP for this network 10.1.1. Now we are making it reverse. we are making it 172.160, I mean 172.16.1.0 dot, and this wildcard marks, and this is internal network. So as I made a mistake here. This is not, this will be my 172 dot network. Okay. So in this here, the communication is happening from this side to this side. Now here what is happening? Communication is happening from this side to this side. So we have changed IP address here and evaluate traffic, TCP traffic. So this command will be configured and will be tracking that traffic. This is my X router. On this router, traffic will be entering from here. Now, still we need to make some more configuration here. The following configuration applies both. What we have done so far, we have made inbound filter and allowed ICMP, and the rest of traffic will be denied for inbound and outbound. Now we have to apply this uh, to interface. The following configuration applies both an inbound and outbound ACL to the interface. So we need to go to interface fast Ethernet 01. So if we go to this diagram, so we can take, I have not, this is serial I have taken. So we can go to that interface, whatever scenario we have, an IP address 172.16.1.2. Okay. And this is my subnet marks. IP address I'm giving to this one, this Ethernet, and IP access group inbound filter in, and IP access group outbound filters out. So we have to configure both in as well as out on this interface. So we will have to make adjustment as per the requirement of the ports. So here I have not taken like that. Okay. If I connect any switch here and make LAN, then I can use that interface. So for example only, I tried to make it like this. And now what will happen here? Reflexive ACL can be defined only with extended named IP ACLs. They cannot be defined with numbered or standard name IP ACLs or with other protocol ACLs. Flexible ACL can be used with other standard and static extended ACL. So this is what guys I tried to bring for you people in this video. I hope this video will be informative for you. If it is informative, please subscribe my channel, like on this, I mean like this video, comment on this video, and keep watching my channel. Wait for my next video. In next video I will be talking about the next ACL, which is time based ACL. Till then, bye bye.